Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to attach and send a folder in Gmail, a simple process that lets you share groups or files quickly and easily. Let's get started. First, open File Explorer on your computer. This is where you'll find all your folders and documents. Next, locate the folder you want to send. It could be anything from project files to personal pictures. Now click on the folder. From the drop-down menu, hover over to Send To, then select Compress to Zip folder. This action turns your folder into a zip file, a compact format that Gmail supports for attachments. Once your zip file is created, head over to Gmail and sign in. Click the Compose button on the left side of the panel and then start a new email. In the message window, look for the paperclip icon at the bottom. That's your attach file button. Click on it. A window will pop up. From here, browse your computer and select the zip file you just created. With the file now attached, fill the recipient's email and add a subject and type your message. Finally, double check everything, and when you're ready, hit send. Remember, you can include a password protected zip if your folder contains sensitive content. Just let your recipient know the password in a separate message. And that's it, guys. You have now learned how to send a folder in Gmail the right way. Quick, clean, and organized. If you found the guide helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.